Hello friends. Today we will solve some more and more important questions of IITJEE and PYQs previous year questions and some from international Olympiads level questions. Okay. First question, for which value of A equation A square minus A minus 2 x square plus A square minus 4 it is given x bracket x plus A square minus 3A plus 2 equal to 0 will have more than two solutions. Okay. So for these type of problems, what you should do, directly apply the coefficient of x squared to be a 0, coefficient of x to be a 0, and the constant also whatever is given, put it as 0. As a is a variable, so that is what we have to figure out the values of a. Once you solve this, what you will get kind of this factor is equals to 0 by the splitting the middle term or factorization method you can solve a is equals to 2 and minus 1. This is what you are getting. Number 1 values. Here you will resolve a plus 2, a minus 2 is equals to 0, a is equals to plus minus 2 here what you are getting, and a square minus 3a plus 2. Once you resolve this, and you will get here as a minus 1 and a minus 2 is equals to 0. These are the values of a for your answer. Please, it's my request, first pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. If still not able to do it, then see the solution. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next question, please. Find alpha square plus beta square if this is given 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation and alpha and beta are the roots. Okay, of this equation, alpha and beta are the roots. So they are saying find alpha square plus beta square. Well, if you remember this identity, a square plus b square plus 2ab, sir. Okay, using this we will figure out the alpha square plus beta square also. Alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, I will apply alpha plus beta here. Using this minus 3 by 2 alpha beta 4 by 2, it will become to be 2 using the proper formulas. Okay, now just insert the values. Minus 3 by 2 square minus 2 into 2, and I'm guessing minus 7 by 4 is my answer for alpha square plus beta square. Okay, this is the value. Okay, this is what it was saying in the question also, that find out the value of this. Okay, for the second one, sir, what we should do? For the second one, we can apply. We can just simply take the LCM part first. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. We will get alpha square plus beta square alpha beta. Now, once you just put down the values, you will get an answer like this. I hope you like the question. Try to solve it by yourself also. If not, rewind the video and watch it again. Second, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, find the equation whose roots are given by alpha plus 1 upon beta and beta. This is one root. This is second root. First part. Second part it is, this is one root and this is second root. Okay, sir. So for the solution, alpha plus beta minus b by a and alpha beta c by a. This is mentioned to us, given to us. Okay. For the first part, just use the formula of summation of roots and product of roots, and you will be able to get your answers easily. And using a proper common sense also, of course, in mathematics we required a lot common sense, which is not so common these days. Minus b by a, c by a. Take out the LCM part, and here you will get b by c. And yeah, you can leave your answer like this. If you want more further to resolve, you can solve it, and it will get minus b a plus c divided by ac. This is one value. And for the summation of roots, first part, for the first part, product of roots, we have to figure it out. Beta plus alpha, so alpha beta plus alpha beta plus 2. So c by a plus a by c plus 2 I'm getting. Once you resolve this, a plus c whole square by ac. Okay, so equation whose roots are alpha plus 1 upon beta and beta plus 1 upon alpha is ac x square plus b a plus cx plus a plus c whole square. I guess this will be your answer. I hope you understand the solution or the approach which we have used. Second part is also given. Now for the second part I have to rub. Space is not there for me. So let me rub first. Okay. Alpha square plus. Again, just take out the summation. Plus 2 is also there, na? Yeah. Alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Plus 4 I will also use b square by a square minus twice ac by a square plus 4 will be there, sir. Take the LCM part, 4a square plus b square minus twice of ac, a square. Okay. Then if you want, take the product part also. Let's see what we will get. Alpha square beta square plus 4 c square by a square plus twice b square minus twice ac a square plus 4 I'm getting. Okay. So here let me rub and see equation whose roots are alpha square plus 2 beta square plus 2 is a square x square twice of ac minus b square 4a square x plus twice of b square plus 4a square plus c square minus 4ac is equals to 0. You can furthermore solve it. Minus b square 4a square x plus twice of b square plus 2a minus c whole square. This is your final answer for this question. I hope you understand. Let's move on to the next question, please. If alpha is not equals to beta but alpha square is equals to 5 alpha minus alpha square is equals to 5 alpha minus 3 it is given. Beta square equal to 5 beta minus 3 is given. Find the equation whose root are this. Okay. So here one thing is interesting. If you could understand, see from the given, can I say or can I interpret it alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. This is a very good interpretation if you can understand. Alpha beta, beta by alpha, alpha square by alpha beta, 25 minus 6 by 3, 19 by 3, and alpha beta, beta by alpha, product of roots 1. So our equation will become kind of 3x square minus 19x plus 3, 0. This is how we will form our equations. You can form the equation using that also, na, x square minus summation of roots. You should remember it, right? Summation of roots uh, plus product of root like this is equals to 0. From that formula also you can easily able to do it, or otherwise using the split the middle term method or by simple factorization method x minus a x minus alpha x minus beta plus c is equals to 0, or randomly just in a simple version is equals to 0. That is also you can able to get it. Okay. Next question they are saying um, alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square minus bx plus q is equals to 0, and alpha minus 2 beta plus 2 are roots of x square minus bx plus r. Prove that this and this. Okay, sir. See, one by one we will try to solve this. Is equals to p is given. Alpha beta is equals to q is given. Okay, alpha minus 2 beta plus 2 is equals to r. Once you little solve it, alpha plus beta twice alpha minus twice of beta is equals to r, where alpha beta you can put as q twice alpha minus beta minus 4 is equals to r. This is one part. I am carrying on this calculation. Twice alpha twice beta is equals to r. Is it correct? Twice alpha minus twice beta is equals to, no, here I've done a little mistake, is equals to r plus 4 minus q will also there. Beta is equals to 2p. Please see this, how alpha plus beta I can put as p, so I'm using that thing here. Now then after I will use 16q plus r plus 4 minus q square, or what we can do with this LHS part of the question which we have to prove. Nothing, I think. Okay, let's do some other approach. 4 alpha is equals to r plus 4 minus q plus 2p. I hope I can write it down like this. Okay, then after 4 beta twice of p minus r plus 4 minus q. So on further solving this question, you will get 16 alpha beta 4p square minus r plus 4 minus q whole square. So this is what you are getting. I hope you like the session. Thank you.